My name is Alessa.
My name is Alexa.
And today we are going to be showing our artificial Christmas tree. We have a train and we have a Christmas map and we have little houses to make it seem like the train goes around houses. This is the button to work the train. Not the train, the train. And so right here, you turn it on. You turn it on right here. And then you turn it on, the remote. And then this is how it goes slow. And I'm gonna do it fast. And it plays a little music. Oh, not music. And it whistles like a real train. And when you stop it, when you press the music button, then it has a different sound to it. And then now you start it. We have candy canes, we have drink thing, and we have a Christmas tree with a cross that's representing God's birthday. One funny thing, one of my friends gave me a pickle for an ornament, which is very cool and funny. Hi guys, welcome back to the outside of our house for 2018. And last year, 2017, we've done a lot, but wait till you see this one because we've done a lot more, like 5 times better. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. It is very bright. So come on. So last year we had these blue lights that are very bright and blinding, and last year we still had lights for our bushes, which is very cool. And this year, we've added a reindeer with lights and we added presents to it, but it didn't come with the presents. And so, there's a snowman family which is raising right now. So technically the way that we see it, that this is me, this is my dad, this is my mom as a snowman, and this is my sister. She's smaller than me, right? And we have lighting tree lights, which is very cool. And over here, we have a projector on the side of the house. So our house doesn't have to be boring on the side when people walk by it or drive by. It's very cool, and it says "Let It Snow," which has snowflakes and a snowman. Okay. Now leaning on to this side again, we have a joy sign. It lights up from letter to letter, and then it lights up all the way. Okay. And we have a sign that says, well, we had this last year, and it says "Reindeer Crossing." Lane. And we have a lighting reindeer with lights like the other one, as you see. And We have a beautiful unicorn with a holographic horn and holographic wings with some pretty fur. It's very, very pretty, and we put like stuff to make it stand so no one could steal it or anything like that. So yeah. And we have another reindeer that lights up too. And we have another Santa Claus. This is not the same Santa Claus as last year because the Santa Claus didn't work, so we had to get a new one. And yeah, and it looks like the Santa Claus makes it look like we're entering our backyard. Oh, and I forgot two more things. We forgot two more things. So we have light up bushes like last year. It's very cool. And up there, up on our roof, we have Santa Claus on its sleigh with reindeer, like in the middle of the landing on top of the roof and with presents with them. And yeah. Okay guys, well we're gonna close out the video.
Hope you enjoyed it.
And we have so much fun doing this. It was a lot of work, of course. And this year was great for the most part. And I can't believe 2019 is gonna come around now. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. So bye. See you later.
Bye.